Okay, today I'm going to make pasta from scratch, and this section will just be the first part of it. I'm using a recipe, but I mean, they're all pretty much the same. So all-purpose flour over here. I need 2 cups of it on a nice clean work surface. Third. One cup. Okay. Make a nice hole in the middle.
What?
Okay, I have 2 cups of flour, all purpose. I made a hole in the middle for the eggs. Put them in. Try not to get any shell in there. This calls for 3 eggs. Okay, you can see if the egg's in. Now I'm going to put the 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Redmond's is the best. Put that in there. And then it calls for a 1/2 tablespoon of olive oil. We're gonna add that since I don't know any measuring items that have 1/2 tablespoons. Okay. And then it says to break up the yolks and keeping and mixing everything intact in the flour wall as best you can, obviously. And then little by little, you can start incorporating that flour because you don't want a runny mess. Typically, I like to put it in a bowl, but we'll use the flour, the surface this time. At this point, I'm gonna have to start using my hands. Okay, I have gotten this to a point where I'm gonna need to use my hands to start incorporating, probably maybe a little bit less, a little more of the mixing here. And then we'll take off. Now you just want to get this all together. Once it comes to a shaggy dough, we'll start kneading it. Right. Get it into more ball. Of course, not quite coming together yet, and that won't be for a while. Get some of this off my hands. If you know me, I hate to get my hands dirty with doughs and stuff. Going to set a timer. Set timer for 8 minutes.
8 minutes, counting down.
Supposed to knead for 8 minutes. Okay, the timer just went off on my watch because, like I said, my hands are always dirty, so I really like to use the other watch or a smart device. And the dough is pretty much ready. Just give it a couple more kneads. Get it into a nice ball. There you go. We'll wrap this in plastic wrap and let it sit.